Hello everyone, welcome to Practice Easy English. Get ready to improve your English through real daily conversations.
Yes, in today's lesson, you will hear different situations from everyday life, so you can learn naturally and speak confidently.
Let's begin with our first situation, a hotel conversation. Good morning, I hope you are enjoying your stay here.
Good morning. Yes, everything is really nice. The staff is kind and our room is very comfortable.
That's great to hear. Is there anything you need today?
Actually, yes. Could you suggest a good restaurant for lunch?
Of course. What type of food do you prefer?
I'm vegetarian, but my friend also eats fish. We'd like something balanced.
In that case, I recommend a Japanese restaurant nearby. They have vegetables, fish, and both spicy and mild dishes.
That sounds perfect.
I can also arrange a taxi for you.
Yes, please, that would be very helpful. Restaurant conversation. Hello, do you have a table for two?
Of course, please follow me.
Thank you, the place looks beautiful.
Here is your table. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, green tea, please.
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
We're ready to order now.
Great, what would you like?
I'll take the daily special with a salad on the side.
Excellent choice. And you?
I'm still deciding. What do you recommend?
Today's special is salmon. It's very popular.
Perfect, I'll take that.
Grocery store conversation. Let's check the shopping list.
We need vegetables first.
Carrots, onions, broccoli. Got it.
Also fruits, bananas and apples.
Anything else?
Yes, eggs, cheese and chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yes, it's my reward for helping.
Fair enough.
Movie conversation. I want to watch a movie tonight.
Me too. What do you feel like watching?
I like romance and action.
I prefer comedy or action.
What about horror?
There's a zombie movie with action and a bit of romance.
That sounds interesting.
Let's go for it. That's it for today's practice.
We hope you enjoyed these real-life conversations.
Remember, practice daily to improve your English naturally.
Thanks for listening to Practice Easy English.
See you in the next lesson.